Hey everyone, Julie here. We just finished talking about sowing into God's kingdom, and there's this huge opportunity to give right now, which is to the Hurricane Ian relief effort in Florida. Whole regions were slammed from Naples all the way up to Sarasota. Hundreds of thousands of people have been affected. Thank God it didn't hit Tampa, which, had millions of people, and it would have been really massive devastation. But there's still a lot of hurting people in this area. And, the strange thing is, last November when we went to healing school, we went to the River Church in Tampa and then for 2 weeks. And then we decided, hey, we should vacation for another 2 weeks while we're in Florida since we hadn't left Alaska since 2018. So we just picked Cape Coral in the Fort Myers region, and we really enjoyed it, and the people were awesome. We connected with the River Church in Fort Myers and got to know some of the people, and I asked if they could take our family out soul winning. So we went out soul winning, and we got 10 people, helped lead 10 people to the Lord. So I know that there's a huge relief effort by the River Church in Tampa. They're working with Feed the Hungry and Convoy of Hope. They've got pallets of stuff already on their site, and they have teams that they're going to send out as soon as they get the green light to go and that it's safe for relief teams to go down there. They have a connection to lots of churches where they can distribute things, and the gospel is going to be preached too. So money is going to be needed to help with this effort. If you want to do that, I'm going to put some links below where you can give directly to the River Church in Tampa, where the relief effort is kind of being organized. I'm also going to put a link to the River Church in Fort Myers. You can give directly to them. So I just wanted to share one verse, Luke 6:38. It says, "Give and it will be given to you. A good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over will be poured into your lap. For with the measure you use it, it will be measured to you." And it's so much better to give than to receive, and God is gonna bless you. This is a good way to put it into practice. If you feel led and you feel like God is leading you to give to this effort, feel free. I just wanted to give you the opportunity. There's some of these bigger organizations, you just don't really know if your money is going to go to relief. And I can tell you that it's been said that every cent will go towards the hurricane relief. If you go to revival.com, click on the Invest Now button, and then make sure you mark it's for the Hurricane Relief Fund, and so then it will go towards that. So thanks everyone for anyone who decides to give, and hope you're doing well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, good. Okay.